Just Japanese genius.
We're gonna cook Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is Japanese style pancakes. This is very famous in the world. We need this Okonomiyaki flour. じゃあ 200g 測ります。
Yes. I remember how to do like this.
Let's put water in here.
Everything
Yes.
smells good.
Smells good. で次にキャベツを切ります。Let's cut the cabbage.
What's this called? Mayaita?
まな板。ああ。
Like last time.
Yes, you remember.
Yeah.
カットします。
はいいいよ。
もうサイズは適当です。
Be careful for your finger.
Okay, I will.
Looks fun. So many veggies.
So many cabbage.
UFO catcher.
Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up.
Wait.
Delicious okonomiyaki. Okay, next we're gonna put eggs in here. We need 2 eggs. Oh. できた。Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Okay, next. Let's put these tiny dried shrimps.
Shrimp. They have a little bit.
おいしい?
Too good.
Too good. And this is my style to put 青のり first in here.
Owl.
Oh.
It's getting better.
Okay, and let's put this katsuobushi too. And we can add later as well. And let's put this tenkatsu.
Yeah, I like it. What?
And we are going to use these big shrimps too. You can put anything you like, pork or any kind of meat or seafood to okonomiyaki.
Wow. So boom.
Oh, let's put some oil in here. 油.焼きます。
It's covering.
Yes. 焼けるまで待ちます。
I'm genius.
Oh, see, let's get
You. Do. Mama.
Wow! 完成 Let's check. How's this?
Good.
Okay, let's put in a plate.
I drew frames.
Okay, thank you. Let's put some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Everything, maybe half. And let's put aonori too.
Can I have little icing?
完成
I'm genius.
Okay, let's eat. いただきます。
いただきます。おにしんぱき。
美味しい？上出来。Okay, everyone. Why don't you try okonomiyaki at home? Goodbye.
Bye.